Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Nasma. Good morning, Shubha. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And how are you? I'm good too. Alhamdulillah, Nasma. Can you tell me something about yourself? Sure, my name is Nazma. I study at Tajidul Quran Madrasa in class 4. That's nice. I also study in the same madrasa, but I'm in class 5. Really? That's great. What time do you usually wake up in the morning? I wake up at 5 o'clock, then I problem Fajr prayer and recite the Holy Quran. That's very good. After then, what do you do? After that, I help my mother in the kitchen and then go to the madrasa. Nice. What time do you go to bed at night? I go to bed at 10 o'clock after finishing my homework. You are very regular, Shubha. I like your routine. Thank you, Nasma. And what do you usually do in the evening? In the evening, I read my lesson, help my younger brother, and sometimes watch educational videos. That's great. We both have a good daily routine. Alhamdulillah. Yes, Alhamdulillah. Let's always try to spend our time usefully. Inshallah, let's go to class now. Okay, let's go. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.